All right, guys, I think I'm live. You can't see me right now because I don't have any of my sources set up, but you can probably hear me. At least I hope you can hear me. And if you can, please let me know. I am... Yes, it says I'm live. It says I'm live. So if any of you guys are out there watching or listening right now, just let me know if you can see me. Black. This is why I'm doing this tonight and not on a stream night, because this is literally like a full rebuild of what I had to do. Of everything that I had. I literally have to start from scratch. So let's see. We'll start here. We'll do intro slate. I'm gonna try to remember what I called everything because I'm gonna have to reprogram my Stream Deck, which I was planning on doing anyway because they released some new software with some awesome features. So there's that. You guys should now see the intro slide. So the screen, you're not going to see much right now. You will hear me, but you won't see anything right now. You'll see just me working. I literally have to rebuild everything in my OBS from scratch because I have a feeling something in my old layout was corrupting OBS or something. I don't know. But YouTube, or I keep saying YouTube, but OBS support is useless. So I, basically have to do this all over again. And that means I also have to rebuild all of my elements from scratch too, like my YouTube chat. My goodness. Wow. I wasn't counting on that, but this is a lot of work for literally 1 or 2 more nights worth of YouTube streaming. Bear with me just a second, guys, because I have to try to remember where I found everything to write the code for the chat. The YouTube chat in OBS is kind of tricky, and you have to actually do some code for it. So I have to find the link that I used, and hopefully it's still there. So if I do browser source, and I don't remember what any of the sizes of my stuff were, so wow, this is gonna suck. Width was, I think, 400, and the height was like 600, 60 frames per second. So there's the YouTube chat. And that's not how I want. Oh, okay, I know what I have to do now. So I do this, I do this, I do this. I can't remember if I had... So that's what it looked like. That. And that. No, that was open sand. No, shit, god damn, I hate this thing so much. I think I have the code saved somewhere. Hold on a minute. I think this is the code for my chat. Because I had so much problem with this last time, I had to do this over. There we go. All right. Wow. I'm glad I saved that. My colors are not correct, though, unfortunately, which is kind of crappy, but... I'm looking. Shit. So I actually have to go through my code here and try to find where my colors are, because this is old code. People won't fucking leave me alone on my Apple Watch either, so let's see. So I don't see. I literally don't see where the colors are here. Alright, so it looks like I am going to have to do this, code this over from scratch again, because it just not, yeah, you guys get it. It's just not working the way I wanted it to work. So the font is going to be permanent marker. Owner color is red, mod color is blue, sponsor color will be green. The font will be Open Sans. No backgrounds. Actually, moderator colors will have a little bit of a background. Actually, no, I don't like that. All right. I'm not going to bother with that stuff. Okay, let's try this. There we go. That looks a little better. And I don't know if that's the right size or not. I won't know until I get my other layout going here. Event bar. So I gotta do another browser source. event bar. And again, I don't know the size for this either. God damn. I'm really screwed, guys. I am absolutely screwed right now. Because I don't have a clue. I actually don't have a clue what any of this stuff is supposed to be. So I can get the things in there, but I can't do this. I actually can't do this. All right, I'm gonna have to. I think my Twitch layout worked, so I'm gonna have to import my Twitch layout and just run on that, I guess. Hopefully this won't crash the stream. It actually, ooh, I can hear myself. It actually loaded my Twitch layout. So what I'm going to have to do, I think, let me turn my other light on here so that my chroma key works properly. All right. So I guess what I'm going to have to do is just run on this for a while. And what I can probably do is duplicate this. See, now I'm nervous because if I switch back to this one here, it's probably going to crash. Is it going to crash? No. But if I remove this layout now, it will force me back to Twitch. And I don't know. Okay. Everything looks cool. How do you guys see it? Probably no one's watching now, but how do you guys see everything? Does everything look normal to you guys? Like, does anything look weird? Because honestly, I have no clue what anything looks like right now. I mean, I can see it. Well, it's doing normal right now, looking good. Okay. I need to fix this yet again. And I also can't see the pass-through on my Xbox now, my monitor. I think I have to reboot my computer, which makes me nervous. So if I duplicate this scene or the scene collection and call it YTG, all right, so now I'm running on that one. So now I can, in theory, I can switch elements out of this one and put it back into the YouTube flavor. So I guess we'll just start from the top down. That can go away. That still works. That still works. That can go away. That works. That works. The jar works. Salt shaker guy works. Subgif works. The viewer count works. So I'm actually going to switch to that. Warp world bar works. Color bars works. I'm just going to leave those on. Sub goal. All right, so I'm going to change this to say sub goal And the sub goal, I'm going to switch this back to the other file, the YouTube set of files. Total. That's the one I want right there. Let me see. I can go subscriber goal. That looks better. What do you guys think? Recent follower. That should say recent subscriber. And recent subscriber source, I need to switch that file so that it pulls from the YouTube list or YouTube set of files. Most recent, oh man, it's like these files got mixed together. Most recent YouTube subscriber. There we go. Recent donor source. Pull this from the YouTube files. And let's see. YouTube chat. There's the YouTube chat, guys. And I'm actually going to copy this code and paste it into that file that I had before so it's updated. There we go. Just in case I need it again. The YouTube chat is the hardest thing to rebuild because I actually have to use a site that writes the CSS for me to make it look like you see it and not like it's inserted in the whatever. Social media event bar, the webcam, the bug doesn't work because it's not in the right layer. There we go. Alright, let me turn off color bars and the bug. Alright, so I have my capture, my Elgato capture. The fireworks video works. That should not be over that though. Let me see. Oh, okay. That actually is working properly. Alright, I think I've switched everything back. I think. Now I have to redo my stream deck here. So let me get some audio going here. Excuse me. Just bear with me, guys. I don't know if this even works. Anything? No, it's like it's not working. So let's try reconnecting. It's like my Xbox just can't. It's like it's not connected to the internet or something. So we'll just, I don't know what's going on. This is why we have nights like this, where we have no expectations, we just try to fix everything that's broken. There's going to be a lot of me saying tonight. We're actually going to quit YouTube app. The Xbox kind of has some problems occasionally with when you suspend applications and then go back into them. So we'll see what happens here. Okay. Nope. Doesn't like it for some reason. Maybe it's just that video.
Yo, it's the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's the game. Found the secret water zone while working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, Evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess, mushroom land needs saving. Abusing and confusing, everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
See, now that's not, I literally queued another video here and it didn't call it up. Yeah, so it's like this particular video just doesn't want to play. There we go. I just picked another video. There is one thing I have to re-add here. I have to add the wings. Just like that. And put the chroma key filter on it. Just like that. There we go. So hopefully that audio is coming through properly. And I gotta take this opportunity to export this. There we go. And while that's going, now we're going to do the Stream Deck update. If you guys don't know what a... That's weird. If you guys don't know what a Stream Deck is, guys, this is the Stream Deck right here. I'm gonna try to untangle it from all of these wires here, and show you guys. This is the Stream Deck. It's kind of hard to see, but let me come up on camera here. This is what the Stream Deck looks like. It's basically a set of buttons that I can use to control different elements on the screen. And I would demonstrate it right now, but unfortunately it's not programmed because I just redid everything. So let me get the focus to focus properly here, but my camera's messed up for some reason. The lens on my camera doesn't work right. So I'm going to try this here. There we go. That's a little better. So you guys can kind of see, I have the chroma key turned on, so it looks a little weird, but all of these buttons here have different functions. Like that's a folder that opens up apps, and I can push any of these buttons and call up apps. Like the Stream Deck app, for instance, that should still work. It does. I can push this button to go back, and I have this button which has controls. So it's all my stream controls for going live, ending stream, recording and stopping, and then my playback controls here for volume and media playback. I have a button that sends out a tweet. All kinds of fun stuff. That's the Stream Deck. This was like 150 bucks on Elgato's website. I think I ordered mine from Amazon, but it's made by Elgato. And I really like it, actually. I am in love, totally in love with the Stream Deck. It is one of the most essential things for any streamer of any size because you can do so much with it, and you can do it very easily because OBS works well with it, XSplit works with it, the Elgato game capture software works with it, and there's a few other programs I think that work with it too. So it's very feature rich. It's just going through a playlist right now. I don't know why it keeps calling up the video, but yeah. Anyway, so I got to go through now and reprogram. I have to reprogram the damn Stream Deck just to make sure that it calls up everything that it's supposed to call up. And actually, it is working. But there's always a couple of buttons that don't make it through. So I have to make sure that they are actually working. All right, there we go. We go into here, black, slate, live, on cam, game up full, be right back, raid, launch video. Okay. All right. Excuse me. So let's try this again here. I'll show this off. We'll go up full. And so I'll demonstrate here. And let me do a couple things. Let me first and foremost turn off. I got to adjust the focus on the camera again. I'll actually zoom in the camera too so you can see. Adjust the focus. Save that. And now what I'll do is I will turn off the chroma key so it doesn't look funky. There we go. So as you can see right now, up here, on cam is the scene I have up. That's the on camera full, and you see it has a little on air light above it. I have the buttons programmed. I made all of these thumbnails myself in Photoshop. You can put whatever images you want in each button to represent your scenes, and each button has a high and low state. So when the scene is active, it can show a different image than if the scene is not active. So for instance, on camera it has the on air right now, but if I were to switch to live, I'd push that and notice how the live now has on air. If I go back to on camera, now it says on air, and so on and so forth. Raid, sorry, I'm trying to do this backwards. Live. When I go back to my main screen, you can see that it's still on live. If I go to all scenes, go back up on camera full here. And then also, down in the corner, there's the two microphones, mic 1 and mic 2. You can see that mic 1 is green right now because mic 1 is on, and mic 2 is red. It's off right now because I don't have a second person with me. So when I'm on my live, here, I can actually turn mic 2 on and off. Bring mic 2 up, and I could talk into mic 2 right here. And you'll probably hear an echo because I have both microphones on right now, but I can turn mic 2 off, and you can see my voice gets quieter, goes away because I'm only on the far mic now. So that's kind of how that works. And then I have all of my elements in here for things like the warp world bar. I can bring in and out the warp world bar. Anything that's off has the little don't symbol through it. I can turn off the game capture. I can put the logo in. I can turn off the camera, and I can turn on and off the second PC screen, which I don't have active right now. So that's how the Stream Deck works, and it comes with this neat little cradle that I can put it in right on my desk, and I can adjust the angle so that it's in, it's flat or up perfectly vertical or whatever. So it's right within easy reach of me, and I really like it. We'll go up on camera full. Wow. Let me fix my camera here real quick. So, whoops, zoomed out too far. So we'll fix that. Oh, damn it. Oh, I guess it's saved anyway. And let me turn the chroma key back on here. Boom. So that's one neat piece of tech. I wonder what else you could do with it. Well, the interesting thing is the software. I don't know if I can actually get it to show the software or not. Let me see if I can do a window capture here on... Will it let me do... No, it won't even let me do window capture right now. Capture specific window. Stream Deck. I need to take out game capture. I need to take out window capture. And so let me put back in window capture. Darn. Guys, sorry, hold on a second here. Game up full. Okay, so that's not there. That's good. Do need to fix this though. OBS also likes to resize my stuff without telling me. So there's that. So let me go back in here. Let me go window capture. Yeah, for some reason window capture doesn't work right. So let me do screen capture here. Screen capture. It's going to look real psychedelic here for a second because it's capturing what I'm actually doing. Okay. Move it over a little bit. And then so then we'll bring this up here. So you should be able to see now just my desktop with the game capture, or with the Elgato, whatever, the Stream Deck software. So in the software, you can actually, I'm just trying to pull up my stream here so I can make sure that it's doing what it's doing. Yep, I can hear myself. So on the side here, all the stuff that the software can do, it can work with Elgato Game Capture, it can work with Tippy Stream, it can work with OBS Studio, it can work with XSplit, and then it has some Twitter functions. Actually, it just has a tweet function. It has a lot of Twitch integration, which is great. It'll allow you to send messages in the Twitch chat, do all sorts of different things right with Twitch. It has a lot of system functions, like it can open a website, it can do a hotkey switch, a hotkey, it can open an application, and it can do multimedia controls. And then new in this version of the software, it'll allow you to actually create folders and switch profiles right from the buttons. So that's pretty awesome. And I haven't played with that stuff yet. But I use the open in my applications folder here. All of these are an open function. So it will launch Chrome, or it will launch Discord, or it will launch Streamlabels or OBS, etc. And you can, because it does hotkeys, you can also use it in Photoshop to actually like call up different tools. Like you can have the select tool, the magic wand tool, the paintbrush tool, the text tool, etc., so forth. And it can also do hotkey combinations. So you could do like select all. You could basically, this is a customizable shortcut keyboard. So it will allow you to do all that stuff right within it, and it's really, I think it's really awesome. Well worth the money that I spent on it. Probably easily one of the best things that I bought for the stream, as far as stream equipment goes. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna work on the Stream Deck stuff probably off stream. I'm going to do a little gameplay here just to make sure things are working. And actually I can't, because I'd have to reboot the computer because I don't have my monitor pass through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop stream. I'm going to reboot the computer, relaunch OBS, and make sure everything's finally working right. And then we'll do a brief gameplay, and then I'm going to log off for the night and prep for tomorrow's Odyssey stream. So I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to hopefully get this working right.